Hi, I'm Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters and the Elmer team, your Southern California real estate experts. As we've recently seen, living in this beautiful region comes with some unique challenges. Earthquakes, wildfires, and floods are realities that we need to prepare for. Today, I'm going to guide you through some essential steps to make sure your home is protected and your loved ones, ensuring that you're ready for anything. So let's get started. First, let's talk about fortifying your home. If you live in an earthquake-prone area, which most of Southern California is, retrofitting older homes is critical. Ensure your foundation is bolted and consider bracing water heaters and heavy appliances to prevent tipping. For wildfire-prone areas, creating a defensible space is key. Keep vegetation trimmed and at least 30 feet from your home. Replace wooden roofing and siding with fire-resistant materials like metal or tile. These measures not only protect your property, but can also lower insurance premiums. Finally, for flood-prone zones, install sump pumps and consider elevating electrical systems. Flood barriers and sandbags can be lifesavers during unexpected storms. Even small changes like installing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms can make a huge difference, and testing them regularly. It's all about being proactive. Next, let's talk about insurance. Many homeowners don't realize that standard policies often don't cover earthquakes or floods. Take the time to review your coverage. For earthquake insurance, look for policies that cover structural repairs and personal belongings. Flood insurance, which is usually through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, is crucial if you're in a designated flood zone. Reach out to your insurance provider or trusted agent to ensure you're not caught off guard. And remember, insurance isn't just about protection, it's about peace of mind. Also, if your property is held in a trust or other type of entity, make sure your insurance company is aware and that they're covering the property in that entity. Now, let's prepare for the unexpected. Every home should have an emergency kit. Start with the basics: water, 1 gallon per person per day, plus animals for at least 3 days. Non-perishable food, flashlights, and extra batteries. Don't forget essential documents like insurance policies and IDs. Store them in a waterproof, fireproof safe. Add personal items like medications, pet supplies, and even comfort items for kids. An evacuation plan is just as important. Practice it with your family so everyone knows what to do and where to go in an emergency. Go bags were one of the most critical issues with some of the recent fires. Take time now to think about what's important to you and what you might want to take with you in an emergency. Being prepared doesn't just protect your home, it helps your family feel confident and secure. You can use technology to your advantage. Smart home devices are more affordable than ever and can be game changers in emergencies. Leak detectors, which are often being required by insurance companies these days, can alert you to water problems before they escalate. Smart thermostats can shut off HVAC systems to prevent smoke damage during wildfires. And don't overlook emergency apps like FEMA, Watch Duty, Red Cross, or other local alert systems. They provide real-time updates, evacuation routes, and shelter locations. In Southern California, we're fortunate to have excellent local resources. Cities often offer free sandbags and community workshops on disaster preparedness. Look up your local emergency management office and make note of their contact information. And as we have seen in the recent fires, don't forget about neighbors. Building strong community connections can be invaluable during emergencies. At the Elmer team, we're not just here to help you buy or sell your home. We're here to ensure your home is a place of safety and comfort. If you need guidance on finding a home in a safer area or just want advice on disaster-proofing your property, we're here for you. Visit www.theelmerteam.com or call us at 562-316-2915 for more resources. Together, we'll make sure your home is ready for anything. Stay safe out there, and thank you for watching, and please feel free to forward and share this with your friends.